Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to Nordic Nature Quest. If you're planning a trip to Norway, get ready for an unforgettable journey. In today's video, we're sharing a super fun and essential packing list along with some pro tips to make your trip smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive in. Norway's weather can be a bit of a wild card, so let's pack smart. Think of yourself as an onion. Bring thermal layers, cozy sweaters, and a waterproof jacket. The key is to layer up so you can adjust to the ever-changing temperatures. Whether you're strolling through charming cities or hiking in the majestic fjords, comfy and waterproof shoes are a must. Your feet will thank you. Don't forget those gloves, a hat, and a scarf, especially if you're visiting during the colder months. Stay toasty. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Check if you need a visa to enter Norway. No one wants to be stuck at the airport. It's always a good idea to have travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Better safe than sorry. Norway uses the Norwegian krone, NOK. It's handy to have some cash, but credit cards are widely accepted. Cha-ching! Section 3, Gadgets and Gear. Norway's landscapes are absolutely breathtaking, so bring a good camera to capture the magic. Say cheese. Norway uses Type-C and F plugs, so make sure you have the right adapter for your devices. Stay powered up. Keep your devices charged on the go with a portable power bank. No one likes a dead phone. Health and safety. Bring any prescription medications you need along with a basic first aid kit. Be prepared for anything. Tap water in Norway is safe to drink, so bring a reusable bottle to stay hydrated. Stay refreshed. Protect your skin from the sun and pesky insects, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Stay sun-safe and bug-free. That's it for our ultimate packing list for Norway. We hope you found these tips helpful and fun. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels from Nordic Nature Quest.